What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add shapes in your Google Slides presentation. So if you want to style your presentation by adding some shapes here and there, you can easily do that. So let me go ahead and show you how to do this. So once you're inside your presentation, guys, all you have to do is simple look at the first menu options that you may have here. You have a bunch of icons and you will see one of them next to this text box, which is a TT. It's going to be shapes. You can click on that and you have different shapes that you can go through. You have shapes, you have arrows, you have callouts, you have equations, right? So you can always use that. So let me go ahead and use, for example, shapes. I'm going to use something that is similar to the style, and I think this might be a good one. So I'm going to select this. And as you can see, once I select that, all I have to do now is actually use the cursor to draw it because there's a plus. So if I click on that, you can see that it draws the shape. And as you can see there, it even chooses a color. Now, the color, you can always change this, right? You can always rotate this to whatever you want as well. You can basically do as it is, right? So you can do a similar style if you so desire, right? It's not exactly the same, but you get the general idea how to actually work with it, and you can play around with the size as well. If you want to copy it to a different slide, press Ctrl C on your keyboard, move to a different page, and you can press Ctrl V, and it's going to be copied there, and you can move it wherever you want. But you can do this to any one that you wish, right? As I said, you have a ton of different shapes that you can choose from. You just need to find something that you like, right? And once you find that, you can always go ahead and use it. So let's say I also want to change the color. I can click on it and just simply go to the color fill, as you can see right here. So click on color fill and you will choose. Keep in mind that the colors that are, you can easily use the colors that are part of the templates. Once you click on color fill, you'll have multiple options at the top there, and it's going to show under the color that comes with the template. So you can easily select something from the template if you want to stay in that, let's say, color pattern or color theme. So let's say I want to use this, as you can see, is the same as that, right? And you can even make it in it as you wish. It's really easy, guys. So that's how you can easily change the colors. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.